Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kawan-kawan semua, saudaraku semua, Prokadang, Mitra Waruju, tak lupa kami mengucapkan selamat menjalankan ibadah puasa yang sebentar lagi finish ya, insya Allah, bagi kawan-kawan yang menjalankannya. Oke kawan-kawan, ini adalah mesin grinding silinder ya, merek Jepang, yaitu keluaran Jepang, merek Miyamoto. Datang kondisi mati, alhamdulillah, berkat perjuangan para teknisi ya, sekalipun sambil menjalankan ibadah puasa, alhamdulillah sudah bisa hidup dan ternyata kondisinya normal, alhamdulillah. Ini tidak dicat ulang ya, dan kondisi mesin ini bagus dan masih presisi, masih orisinil, hanya pergantian di beberapa bagian elektriknya saja. Barangkali kawan-kawan yang membutuhkan mesin grinding ini, monggo silahkan dipinang. Ini panjang material maksimal 600 mm ya. Oke kawan-kawan, terima kasih perhatiannya, mudah-mudahan ada manfaatnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,